Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Well, today I'm here with another very simple recipe. So today I'm going to make this pork intestine series. I got only this sonan jina paise. Okay, so first of all, I've cleaned it very nicely and by water many times I washed, and even by salt I've washed. Now I'm going to boil it. For boiling you need water, not much because it's for cleaning the intestine. So I'll add this intestine. Now in that intestine I'm going to add this lemongrass. This lemongrass will give you a good aroma. And lemon. And of course, little bit of salt. We'll cover it and let it boil for 5 minutes. I'm adding the stomach also, but I'm not going to cook it with intestine. This will be another recipe. But I'm not going to show you. Meanwhile, let me show you all the ingredients. This is haldi powder, turmeric powder, meat masala, chili powder. This is ginger garlic paste, and of course salt for taste. Well, it's boiling nicely. That lemongrass is giving you a good aroma. After a minute, I will remove the intestine. Chalo, ho gaya. It's like 5 minutes I boiled. Now, let me remove the intestine. Oh. I'll be using this in different recipe. So this is it. We'll let it cool down. By the way, don't use this water, okay? Just throw it. Now we'll cut this in small pieces. This was the last piece I got. They already use all the intestine for making sausage. So like I said before, sona nishina thank. Chalo, ho gaya cutting. Now okay guys, now cutting is done. I will add all the ingredients. Add salt. I have already added a little bit of salt while boiling, so I am not adding much salt. Chili powder, meat masala, haldi powder, and this is ginger garlic paste. Now mix it very nicely. This is done. Now I'll keep this aside for at least half an hour. Okay guys, the marination is done. Now I'm going to fry it. No oil. Just add it in the pan. So in a low flame, you have to fry it without oil. See guys, I've not added even a single drop of oil, but from the threads of the intestine, the oil is coming off too. See, oil. See guys, you don't need to add any oil. By its own oil it's frying. Now I will leave it open. Oh guys, it's almost done. Just few minutes, after that we can eat. Well guys, it's done. Now I'm going to remove it. Off karo. Wow, it looks so crispy. Yeah, garnish it with some onion. Okay, so guys, it's done. It looks so crispy. I'm going to taste it. Did you hear the sound? It's so nice. It's a simple recipe, but it's so tasty. You don't need to oil. You don't need to add any cooking oil. By the fats itself, it will cook. It's so tasty. I'm loving it. So guys, that's all for today. It's very simple and it's too less, so I'm not going to share it with anyone. Cameraman, you're not going to get. Okay guys, so if you like this simple recipe, please give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the notification icon, so whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get a notification. So this is very tasty. I hope that you like it, and please try it at home and do let me know how it was. Okay then, bye bye guys, see you in the next video.